Hi, everybody. We're on to our next stand, and I've got Abby and April, and I'm going to ask them a few questions about their company. Abby, tell me, what company do you represent?
We're here with No-Limits.
No-Limits, okay. And April, tell us a little bit about your company.
Well, No-Limits is a company that makes adaptive clothes made by adaptive people. Our founder, Erica Cole, lost her lower left limb in a car crash 2 years ago, and she found that she struggled finding jeans that would fit over her prosthetic, and braces didn't work. So she came up with the Ampant, which is our current product that we have on our website, and we're currently in the process of making a sensory-friendly line, wheelchair-friendly, dexterity, and ports.
That's fantastic. I love that. Abby, tell me, what do you like most about what you do?
When I started this job, you kind of come in thinking that you know a little bit about it.
Yeah.
I learn something every single day. It's great to get into new perspective and really understand day-to-day life for these people.
That's great. And April, what about you?
Yeah, I totally agree to that. Like, coming into this, like, I had no idea about, like, all of the clothing issues like so many people have, and how little companies are even addressing those. And so like lines like our Ampant, especially like sensory friendly, I think are so helpful, and I love like helping people that really need it.
Yeah, that's kind of the best part, isn't it? Yeah, and it's really eye-opening too.
It really
is.
I
That's fantastic. And tell me, how can people find out more about your company?
We have a website, isn't that nolimits.com? Yeah, it's the dash. It's like, wait a minute.
It's too simple, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you guys are on social media?
Yes, you can follow our Facebook at No Limits Adaptive and our Instagram at no.limits.
Very good. Ladies, thank you so much for your interview.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.